Building 10 drones is basically the same as building 10,000. Same design, same materials, same manufacturing steps. You just do everything a few more times, right? Except it is not even close. At prototype scale, skilled technicians can manually adjust the process, inspect individual parts, and work around variation as it happens. That flexibility is useful when production volumes are low. But at scale, those same workarounds can become bottlenecks. This is where compression molding starts to change the equation. Instead of relying on manual adjustments, the process uses controlled pressure and temperature to produce consistent parts, cycle after cycle. And when automation is added on top of that, handling materials, managing flow, and maintaining repeatability, it becomes a completely different manufacturing system. Cycle times become faster and more predictable. Laminate quality becomes more consistent from one part to the next. Process monitoring helps identify variation before it leads to excessive scrap or rework. And material handling can be integrated directly into the production flow. And automation are no longer operating as separate pieces. They work together as one system designed for continuous, repeatable production, not prototype-style batch processing. Because scaling is not simply about making more parts. It is about removing the variation, manual dependencies, and production bottlenecks that become much harder to manage at volume. The prototype proves the drone can work. The production system proves you can build it 10,000 times with the consistency, quality, and cycle time the program actually requires.